Stripe Peak. We're out here, right, Charlie? Literally taking a shit as we speak. Here's the parking lot. Gonna start making these videos, documenting the hikes. This is a half hour from our Airbnb in Port Angeles, and we should get a nice little view of the Strait of Juan de Fuca at the end of this bad boy. So let's check it out. The official mileage on this trail, according to the WTA, is 6.8 miles round trip, elevation gain 850 feet, which is half of what All Trails says actually with the elevation gain, but we go with the WTA. They know what they're talking about more than All Trails. We're hugging the coastline right now. We're actually gonna come up on a cove, which is 0.9 miles into the hike, so we're gonna head over there and take a look down. I don't think the camera does this justice, but super pretty. Aqua blue water, really calm. And then out there we got the Strait of Juan de Fuca. This is Salish Maiden Falls, and I'm really glad I have a waterproof camera. Shout out Taylor for buying me this waterproof camera, because not only is it pouring, but I'm able to get right up close and personal with the falls. Check this out. And there's the waterfall right there. Took the trail all the way down here. Gorgeous. This watercolor will never ever get old. Charlie, come here. Good boy. You look like a rat. That is as good of a reward as you can get for me. It reminded me a lot of Nia Bay, actually, which is a couple of hours to the northwest of here, and it's currently closed because of COVID restrictions. We're gonna call that Nia Bay Junior. That was a lot of fun. This is actually a way better rainy day hike than I expected. The coastal forest here is just beautiful. The trees, the ferns. We're probably not going to do the whole thing because you can't even see him. Charlie is absolutely miserable right now. But highly recommend coming here when the weather's rain or shine and doing the whole thing, because even after the cove, it's really been a pretty hike. All right, so we made it to the Bunker Ridge Trail, which picks up on the other side of an active logging road, which is kind of sweet to look at. We're gonna turn it around because we got about 2 miles back, so we're still gonna hike, all told, probably about like 4.5, 5 miles. Don't need to go the extra 3. I think we already kind of got the experience on a day like today. So back we go. 6.35 miles to go. This is the current situation. All right, Char, we did it. Kind of did it, right? Glad we turned around when we did. That was a fun hike. Definitely would do it again, probably will at some point.